We are at Amicalola State Park in Georgia, and let me tell you, the sights that we've seen today, the mountains and the water and everything has been beautiful. We haven't actually got to see a waterfall, which is what we're pretty much going to be doing right now.
We got Teddy right over here too on our adventure.
Yo, there's a big spider.
Where? Where is it? Oh, that's a spider? Oh wow.
Ooh.
That's crazy.
So long legs.
Teddy was like, yo, let me eat that.
Shh. Whoa, you almost got up there. You okay? Did that hurt?
No. Teddy, get in your bag. Get in your bag, Teddy.
It's literally like a kid.
Is this the way? And take my hand. Yeah. Watch out.
I know.
This is so scary. It's
Like
like
make sure your foot's in the ground before you step.
we have to walk on the side of the mountain to get to a waterfall. Are you sure this is the path? Yeah, this is hard. Hiking.
Oh my god, are you okay?
Yeah. Here, get the water.
Why would you pour water on the camera? These are falls. Well, I mean, we thought we were going up what was the right path, and it said it went up to the falls, but unfortunately that was the wrong one, and we went down the total wrong path, which was a path that used to be here, what they used for working, but now we finally found the right path.
Falls is what, like 1.8 miles away or something?
Yeah.
It's so beautiful over here. We made a mistake and almost died. Like, that was ridiculous. Hopefully we have clips of that. Hopefully. So we're going all the way up to the falls right now. So now we're on the correct path.
Finally.
Right, Teddy? Ready? Ready for your waterfall? Your first ever waterfall, Teddy? Take your face mask off.
It's the tallest waterfall in Georgia, as it says online.
Look how beautiful it is. It's so high. We went all the way up there, and now we're in like the middle part, going all the way down.
I guess there was a snake that was up at the very top, but we didn't get to see that.
Yeah, they said there was a copperhead.
Copperhead, that's what it was. I was trying to remember what the name
was. We never saw it, but
I didn't even know it was a snake at first, but my lovely boyfriend knows more about nature than I do.
He thought it was something else.
I thought it was like a type of frog or something. It sounds like a type of frog.
We had to keep Teddy safe, so we had to carry him that whole time. But look at him, he looks like he took a shower out here.
He looks like a chihuahua.
He does. It's literally a cool down from Florida. This is beautiful. I love the mountains. I love the waterfall. Like, look at this sight. Yeah.
The stairs were a long way up, but I mean, it was totally worth it till we get to the top.
Exactly. It's so beautiful up there.
Teddy's still wet. Everyone's got eyes on Teddy. Teddy just got mauled by all the kids. You know?
I know. As you guys saw.
Still good. We're almost halfway down to the car.
This place is so beautiful, though.
I know.
Look at it. It's like a steep hill, right?
It's so much more like steep going down, but going up it's like harder to walk. But going back down, it's like when you're on a hill in a car and you just go down 10 times faster.
I know. us because we're recording.
We probably do, but we have to show everyone that they need to follow us, you know?
Yeah. It's like a dead end. We made it to like a dead end. It's like a nice dead end. Look at that. It's like a creek.
One, two.
Come on, Teddy, let's go.
Woohoo! I got you.
Aw, Teddy.
Teddy,
Teddy.
one.
What do you want to
Teddy
say?
explore.
Let's let Teddy explore.
Whee! Look at his little head. It's so much
I
more
know,
wet
it's
than his body.
so like wet. Can we cross over this? I don't want to.
try?
I know. You want to? No, I feel like I'll fall.
I don't think that's crossing worthy. I know how we do inside wet dirt.
I know.
Water is going to be a different story.
Exactly.
Teddy is just the best thing.
Everyone loves a little bit of Teddy. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Look at him.
Yeah, see, Teddy says it
See,
too.
Teddy, what'd you say?
Teddy,
Yeah.
say it again. What are you saying, Teddy? What are you saying, Teddy?
He's like, I want to get out of here. It's so hot.
He's
I'm
just
wet.
like, I want to get down because this woman's been holding me for so long.
So long.
Here we go.
It got so much hotter down here. You know?
After walking up near the waterfall, I was like freezing.
I know.
Teddy was cold too.
Oh man, that waterfall was so
I
beautiful.
know.
Here we go. Let's see. We're back in the car. Teddy, are you back?
Never have I been so happy to see the car.
I know. We'll see you guys in just a
Bye, you
second.
guys. We're going to figure out where we're going to go and get right back on the road.
Bye.
Bye, you guys.